villa is a 5-story penthouse in the award-winning Clifton Terraces apartments on Victoria Road, Cape Town. Its elevated position on the iconic Lion's Head takes in extravagant ocean views and local landmarks such as Table Mountain and Clifton's pristine beaches. The building mimics the existing contours of the site, sensitively ensuring that the views from neighboring sites were unaffected or even improved. The interior decor and interior architecture by ARRCC and OKHA have stylistic connections to the style moderne movement of the Art Deco period of the 1920s and 30s. Exiting the lift into South Villa, a classic-clad steel mesh door leads into a double-volume living area that features warm bronze and glass installations such as the feature staircase. ARRCC Director John K. says, "Classical wall detailing has been given new life with a contemporary color palette introducing moody grays, deep blues, and textured green finishes." The living area in turn opens onto a 150 sqm terrace that boasts a raised rectangular heated pool that affords 360-degree, year-round views of Clifton and Table Mountain. ARRCC used a classic ribbed wall paneling in a rich dark green in the master bedroom which, together with wooden flooring, echoes the Cape Pines that frame the windows facing Camps Bay. The custom bed with multi-paneled headboard in oak and French cane, broad, low armchair in rich green velvet, and marble-top timber side tables are all custom-made by OKHA. Here's a look at the plan. The ensuite master bathroom, where French cane bronze mirrors and oak are combined with wall-to-wall slabs of Bianco Carrara marble, provides a vibrant backdrop to the dramatic and moody master bedroom. SAOTA, ARRCC, and OKHA have matched luxury with maturity and sophistication in a statement that enriches the conversation about the possibilities of contemporary design. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.